Hey guys! Today I bring you a super quick and healthy spinach and cheese omelet recipe. Perfect for a nutritious breakfast or a quick meal any time of the day. So, grab your ingredients and let's get started. But first, I want to invite you to like this video and leave a comment telling us what you think of the recipe. Also, I want to share with you our amazing ebook, which is available at the first link in the description for just $14.99. This ebook was made by professionals in the field and even has exclusive bonus recipes. Don't miss this opportunity to have a complete guide to healthy recipes. When adding the egg mixture, cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the edges are set and the center is almost cooked through. Then, use a spatula to flip the omelette and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until it is fully cooked. Finally, don't forget to season the omelette with salt and pepper to taste before serving immediately. These simple steps will help ensure that the omelette is delicious and well cooked. Enjoy! Let's start with the ingredients. 2 eggs. 1 cup chopped fresh spinach. 1/4 cup shredded mozzarella cheese. 1 teaspoon olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Did you write it down? Now let's go to the preparation mode. In a bowl, beat 2 eggs with a fork until the yolks and whites are mixed. Add 1 cup chopped fresh spinach and 1/4 cup shredded mozzarella cheese to the bowl and mix well. Heat 1 teaspoon of olive oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Pour the egg mixture into the skillet and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the edges are set and the center is almost cooked through. With the help of a spatula, turn the omelette and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until it is completely cooked. Season with salt and pepper to taste and serve immediately. This omelette is a healthy, low-calorie option, rich in protein and vitamins. You can serve it as breakfast or as a quick meal at any time of the day. Feel free to add other veggies you like tomatoes, onions, or bell peppers, to make it even tastier and more nutritious. What's up? What did you think of the recipe? With just a few ingredients and a few minutes in the kitchen, you can have a nutritious and tasty dish. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment below and share this recipe with your friends and family. Oh, and don't forget to check out the ebook in the first link in the description. With it, you will have access to several healthy and delicious recipes, made by professionals, in addition to receiving bonus recipes. And best of all, the ebook is available for a super affordable price of just $14.99. Don't miss the opportunity to take care of your health and try new delicious dishes. Click the link in the description to get yours right now.